Can a felon legally own a firearm?
Hello and welcome to today's video where we delve into a complex legal topic. Can a felon legally own a firearm? You might be surprised to find that the answer isn't always a straightforward no. Let's jump into the details.
Federal law and firearm possession.
The first thing we should consider is the federal law. The Gun Control Act of 1968 prohibits anyone convicted of a felony from possessing a firearm or ammunition. There's also the Armed Career Criminal Act of 1984, which imposes even stricter punishments for certain repeat offenders. So, under these federal laws, a felon cannot legally possess a firearm. But, as we'll see, there are certain exceptions and processes that can change this status.
Restoring firearm rights.
Restoration of rights is a legal process that allows a felon to regain the right to possess a firearm. This process can be very complex, involving state and federal laws, and it usually requires a significant amount of time and legal assistance. To be eligible for restoration of firearm rights, a felon typically needs to have their civil rights restored first. This includes the right to vote, to serve on a jury, and to hold public office. The restoration of civil rights and firearm rights often requires a governor's pardon or a state-specific legal process. But, and this is a crucial point, even if the state restores a person's firearm rights, federal law still considers that person a felon and thus prohibits them from firearm possession. So, they would also need to apply for and receive a federal pardon or have their firearms rights restored at the federal level, which is a rare occurrence.
State laws and felony convictions.
The intricacies of state laws add another layer of complexity. Some states do have laws that allow felons to own guns, provided their crimes were not violent or did not involve weapons. The rules vary from state to state and can be highly specific. For example, some states allow felons to own a gun after a set number of years have passed since the completion of their sentence, while other states might only allow ownership of certain types of firearms. So, to answer the question, can a felon legally own a firearm? We can say, in general, no, but with specific conditions met and depending on the state, there are exceptions. However, the process of regaining firearm rights is typically complex and lengthy, requiring legal assistance and significant patience. Remember, this is a complex legal issue, and if you or someone you know is in a position where they're considering this process, it's crucial to consult with a legal expert. That's all for today. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Thanks for watching.